coming this way.
Oh my gosh, we're lost.
You know what? I think we're supposed to keep going up.
Are you sure? What's up? My name is Brittany Joy, and today I'm gonna take you guys on an adventure. We're just gonna go on a hike. I'm not an outdoorsy person, so let's see how this goes. I'm not 100% opposed to it, but it's just I get hot and cranky. I'm a homebod. I like to be at home in my safe zone, but let's see how this goes. I currently have my mom's dog, Charlie. Poor Cha-Cha. He's a little sick one. I'm gonna actually go pick up the homie. What's up? So this is my mom's dog, Charlie. And then Anna's dog. What's your dog's name again?
Christopher.
Go, Charlie, go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, he's so bad. Charlie's a grumpy old man.
Oh my gosh.
Damn, you savage.
He just wants to play.
He just wants to play. Ooh. But like, he's like crying. Oh my gosh. Hell no.
Maybe I'll traumatize Christopher though.
Poor Christopher. Poor Christopher. He's so cute. Oh, forget that. I gotta take him home. We gotta go.
Hold on.
Can you hurry up? You're taking forever.
I sure brought my inhaler.
Oh well. I don't know CPR, so you're screwed.
Is this right way? Are we lost already?
No, we're lost.
If I see a snake, I'm done.
I want a Big Mac and fries.
Oh, afterwards. Come on, Papa.
Ooh, nature.
Beat your ass up.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Animal abuse.
Pretty house.
Look at animal abuse. He's got on tape. Okay, you're walking too fast. I didn't know we were freaking racing. Oh boy. Uh-oh, I see abs, abs, abs.
Christopher. Christopher. Oh, thank you.
Look at him. So cute.
Three big
Christopher.
Damn, he was fine. Oh boy.
Yo, tell me.
Anna, you have to be a better wingman.
You should record that. You pretend like you were recording that.
I was trying.
I don't know how, so we'll be there like in 20 minutes.
Holla. Holla for $1. I hear water.
I can hear her.
You're walking too fast. Hello? You think someone got stuck?
There's the water.
Oh boy, I got that. I'm tired. I want to go home.
They run away. If we don't
Oh,
baby
I
them.
know, yeah.
And plus, is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy.
Yeah, and they'll mark all kinds of stuff. Yeah, you definitely don't want that in it. Stuff.
He's such
I get
a
paid to
good
do
boy.
this, which is amazing.
That's so good.
And it's been good for me. I've lost weight. I'm in better shape now. I lost like 20 pounds doing this with him. I feel
Oh,
like the
you're a
best
good
of-
boy. Can you have that dog instead? Could you switch him?
You want more water now? No, here, here.
This is the little mini teaser waterfall. So what's the progress so far?
Probably like
Damn, you dark.
0.3 miles.
Are you tired? It's hot.
Hungry.
It's hot.
You need a 4x4, 3 shakes, large fries.
Oh, Big Mac. Nuggets. Shakies, bunch of life.
Bunch of legs.
Alright, so to get across, I guess we gotta go through these rocks. Are you ready for the Crocodile River? So I'm gonna follow those girls' footsteps. Let's hope this goes well. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I know if my feet freaking get wet, my day's over. Okay, one. Oh my god, it was freaking down. No, I know, like, obviously my whole body's not gonna fall. Excuse me? Don't ever talk to me like that. Alright, okay. Good progress. My shoes have no grip whatsoever. Oh look, it's a bug. And your ass is gonna fall. It's okay, I got a camera. Look, Christopher's doing good. Ah, I'm scared. Shut up. Is this stable? I'm scared. I'm stuck. I'm scared. Alright, I gotta focus, guys. So guys, I made it, but I freaking got wet. Oh my gosh. The guys are like, oh my gosh, watch your camera. I'm like, okay, my ankle's fine though. Doggo. See, he doesn't pick on the big dogs, but the little ones he does. Oh my gosh, Anna, look. Should we go in? I think you fit. I don't fit.
Huh? Christopher, go. Is my Anna out there?
Put your light on. You can't see anything with your light? Crazy.
Christopher.
Go in. I'll record you.
No.
Oh, he's in! It took him a while. Cute. Can you move? You're kind of in the way.
Did you hear something purring?
Okay, forget you. Look at that dog.
What, the dog or the guy?
Look at the dog. He's such a nice dog.
It's wild, man. And it's not like, oh, it's like shady because of all the trees.
Yeah, it's not hot at all.
The dog can be 10 times his size.
I know. That's what the guy was saying. He's like, never back down. I don't care how small you is, homie. Little homie.
I'd be scared to get beat up. Like some girl that's huge than me, like comes up to me and puts a fool, I'll be like, oh, nothing.
What'd you say? Nothing. Minding my own business. When he's here, I be quiet. But when he leave, I be talking again. I'd use my mom's dog as an excuse to stop. Be like, oh, he's tired. He wants to go back home. Like he needs a pee break. I think I do too.
Oh, he's hungry. We're gonna go eat McDonald's.
I think he wants McDonald's, yeah. That's it. He wants a Big Mac.
He wants a water cup, so we're gonna have McDonald's. I'm gonna get something for myself.
I'm tired and I have to go to the bathroom. We're almost there. I can taste it.
Hike in the north rim. Down to the bottom.
So we're just gonna go in with our shoes because YOLO. Oh, it's cold. The water is freezing. No, it's fine once you get in. You feel weenie. Come on. That was fun. We made it to the water. Oh, don't touch me. How was it? It was hot, no?
It's cold, like really cold.
It's like, why is the camera focusing on you? This is my channel. Hi guys, welcome at me.
Please like and subscribe. We'll be making more videos. Stay tuned. Our next hike will be at the Grand Canyon. We'll be hitting it next week. We'll be releasing dates as soon as we
Niagara
can.
Falls. Niagara Falls is next. Hey.
I
Are you sure we're going the right way back? Huh?
I don't remember coming this way.
Oh my gosh, we're lost.
You know what? I think we're supposed to keep going up.
Are you sure? No, because these people are following us.
Yeah, but what are we supposed to do?
No, look, there's people. No, there's people. Go.
Grapes and fruit would be nice.
Oh, dude, we should have stopped at Aldi's.
We should just go get a. I want to get a plate of.
My mama said. I want watermelon juice. Ice cold.
You have a Big Mac and a milkshake.
I know. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. A Big Mac combo. I worked out today, so let me make that a Diet Coke. Alright, so we just got into the car. And what was your overall thoughts on this process?
It was tiring.
So we do highly recommend if you go to the, what is it called?
Eaton Canyon.
Eaton Canyon waterfalls, to bring an extra pair of sandals,
Towel.
a towel,
Water with ice.
yes,
A hat.
some snacks, like fruit. Fruit is so helpful. A hat for sure, yeah. But yeah, it was a little bit tiring. I don't know if it was because it was kind of hot today, but
We made it.
we are alive, and it was good cardio though, for sure. We definitely got a big workout in.
The dog's dead.
Oh yeah, Christopher is just dead. He's like down there somewhere. Poor Christopher. Christopher. And now, where are we going?
Some Big Macs.
We're gonna go get some donuts. Alright guys, so that's it for the day. Just dropped off Anna and now I'm home. I am exhausted. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get in the shower. I can't wait to take a nap right now. Oh my goodness. I mean, I feel like we did get to a shortcut, We parked a little bit closer than I've parked before because I have been here before, but this one seemed a different type of route, which was way better because we have not worked out in a while and we were pretty exhausted. My hair looks like a mess and this girl needs a bath ASAP. So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see you guys next time. Bye.